are we somehow able to predict the drinking water quality?
Yes, even remotely. But what does it mean in practice for automation applications in your industry? Find out by watching this short case study carried out in an overseas factory in Thailand, producing water using a membrane filtration purification system. The introduction of a low-cost and secure remote monitoring system allowed staff in Japan to supervise operations, provide troubleshooting instructions, and improve equipment utilization, leading to an 80% increase in production output. In this case, the result was 33,000 extra cubic meters of water each month, generating 20,800 euros in additional revenue and achieving payback in just half a month. At the overseas factory, limited operational skills led to production shortfalls. An expensive system wasn't an option, but downtime still had to be minimized. With remote monitoring from Japan, output rose from 1,380 to 2,480 cubic meters per day, an increase of around 80%.
Smart manufacturing Kaizen level, exploring where the customer actually is, paint a picture where he wants to be, dividing this path into several smaller steps with a very clear and very obvious return on invest for the customer already.
The setup is simple and affordable. GOT 3000 with VNC license, a remote access gateway, and a cloud connection. Monthly communication costs were about 930 euros. This solution is ideal for water treatment, beverage production, and any utility-driven plant where remote expertise can turn downtime into uptime. In similar cases, our latest Genesis version 11 can be your advanced data platform, giving you actionable insights, improving decision-making, and optimizing overall plant performance.